Another day on the grind, y'all. It's your boy Terrence Carter, and I'm here, back at it again with another video for y'all. So, this video right here is gonna be a quick lunch rush video for the channel. Currently, I'm at 5 deliveries on the day so far, and I want to bring y'all this content so that I have some content for the channel, and so that I continuously show y'all how it is doing Uber Eats on foot. Now, I ain't gonna front. I'm gonna put y'all on, right? So I know some people will sit there and they'll say that they can't get deliveries on the app on foot. So when you're on the app and you go to your account, you have to put that you have a bicycle. Alright? Now on rainy days like this, yes, you will be able to do food delivery on foot in your area. But like I said, if you're a person and you don't have a scooter or you don't have a bike, put that you have a bicycle, okay? Alright. Right now I'm on my way to Apple to go pick up, and the drop off location is actually close. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Mother Nature for giving us some rain today. It's very therapeutic, and that's it. You learn to take advantage. You know what I'm saying? The grind does not stop. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna show you guys the lunch rush. We're gonna see how much we can make in the next 4 hours, 4 or 5 hours, give or take. So let's go. See you guys when I get time. Yeah, so after I dropped off the Apple delivery, they ended up sending me a double, which I got both of them right here. I honestly did not screenshot the first payout, but the second payout I was able to screenshot. So I will apologize for not screenshotting the first time. But on my way to go drop off both of these right now, and after I complete these two, that will make 800 days so far. So let's go. See you guys once I'm finished with these two. Let's go, y'all. Just dropped off those two. They sent me another double. Let's go. Let's get it done. Alright, no, stop. Just picked up the second one from Sprinkles. On my way to go drop this off now. Get these two out the way. And that's going to be 10 on the day so far, 5 on the lunch rush so far. So just dropped off number 10. On my way to go pick up number 11 now. They sent me one picking up from Sweet Green, and the drop off is not that far. So let's go. Staying in the zone, staying in the flow state. Keep up the momentum, y'all. They sent me another one. So they sent me number 12. Let's go. What's what I'm talking about, man? Alright, y'all. So I just dropped off number 12 on the day. Yo, I ain't gonna front, bro. I embrace this journey. Like, I really like bringing y'all along. Alright, yeah, so I had to wait for a little while. Just got back on the app, picking up number 14 right now. Honestly, did not screenshot it. To be bluntly honest with you, I didn't screenshot it, but the payout is like a little bit over $8. And the drop off is the first time. So, about to go pick it up right now. Chick-fil-A. And get this one out. Just got the Chick-fil-A order. I'm on my way to go drop it off. Once I get this one out the way, Ryan don't stop. Ryan don't stop. Alright, I just finished dropping off number 14 on the day. I'm about to end the video here. If you guys enjoyed the content, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave the comments below. And I'm gonna stay out here for dinner. So, I did 9 for lunch rush, which is a great lunch rush for today. I can see I'm freezing. Very dope. But yeah, I enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back at this one video. Make sure you turn the color. Yes, sir.